Hey, this is Captain Phillip with Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky, and today's tour is of Puerto Vallarta, so let's get started. The city was founded in December of 1851 as Las Peñas. In 1918, the name was changed to Puerto Vallarta in honor of Ignacio Vallarta, who was the well-known lawyer and former governor of the state of Jalisco. The 1960s and 70s would see Puerto Vallarta boom as a resort city. In 1968, the Puerto Vallarta municipality was elevated to city status, reflecting interest by both federal and state governments in developing it as an international resort destination. Next, the Mexican federal government established the Vallarta Land Trust, which oversaw the selling of government land into private and often foreign entities, with the revenue being used to develop the city's infrastructure, leading to the expansion of roads and an international airport. Prior to 1973, hotels in Puerto Vallarta tended to be modest and mid-priced establishments, with only 2 large-sized luxury hotels. After 1973, the city experienced rapid growth in global brand luxury hotels and international resorts. And today there are approximately 41 5-star and 4-star rated hotels. In 2019, the city's airport saw almost 5 million passengers, and the airport has direct flights from Los Angeles, San Francisco, Chicago, and Denver. The city sits off of Banderas Bay, which at over 3,000 feet or 900 meters deep is one of the deepest bays in the world, and is 26 miles or 42 kilometers wide from point to point, making it the largest bay in Mexico and among the top 10 largest bays in the world. Below is Playa Los Muertos, which translates to the beach of the dead, and it is the most popular beach in Puerto Vallarta. There are many legends of how the beach got its infamous name, but one in particular is about how skeletons were found when the first hotel was constructed on the beach. The city has been the backdrop for a number of films, the first being the 1964 film The Night of the Iguana, directed by John Huston. The on-set drama caused a media frenzy in the US and thus put Puerto Vallarta on the map for American tourists. Other movies shot in Puerto Vallarta include Predator, Limitless, and Beverly Hills, Chihuahua. And our last stop is the Church of Our Lady Guadalupe. The church was built between 1930 and 1940 on the original foundations of a chapel. The church is dedicated to Our Lady of Guadalupe, also known as the Virgin Mary. She is the patron saint of Mexico and is considered a religious symbol of the Catholic faith and female empowerment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. And we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.